hey boy, it's just you and me. Now I know what I want, gotta hold on. Oh babe, when you say pretty please, I hand over the keys to my kingdom.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to get started on this look, we'll be using this eyeshadow called Orange Soda, and this is the eyeshadow single from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we'll be buffing that in and using it as a transition shade. And as you can tell by the title, this is a recreation from Jessica Vu's Chile Mango Yellow Blush look, and I absolutely love her channel and all her videos, but this has to be one of my favorite looks from her. It is so cute, so creative, and so ready for the summer. So the next color that I'm using is 518, and this is from the James Charles palette, and this is just to build up on that orange shade, and we're just going to buff those two together and bring it up so that it has a nice transitioning effect. And then we're going to be taking Rested from the same palette, and we're going to deepen that orange even more. And excuse my voice, I am recovering from a cold, so sorry about that. But anyways, we are going to continue to buff those colors in and make sure to get a red intensified look. And then we're going in with B, and you can use any yellow shadow that you have. This is just all I have right now. And we are going to put that right on the lid and then kind of mix it in within the crease to get a really cool orangey red shade, as you can see as it mixes there. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Palette, and I use the gold color Inheritance, and I just put that right over the top to really intensify that yellow, and it adds a really nice shimmer to it because it is a shimmer color, so this added just a really nice touch to the look. And then I used the same color from the Riviera palette and put that as an inner corner highlight. And then going in with the Morphe palette again, we're going to take You're Kidding, which is this really nice vibrant red, and this is just going to make it really come together and look like a mango. It is honestly so cute, I can't get over it. So we're gonna just buff that in and mix those colors and just focus that red shade right on the outer corner. You don't want to bring it in too far. And then we're gonna take the same shade and put it on the lower lash line and make sure to smoke it out. And then next we're going to go back into that gold shade from the Riviera palette called Inheritance, and we're going to drag that onto the lower lash line and kind of meet in the middle. And then we're going to take the M Cosmetics brush tip liner, and we're going to make a really thin line as well as a small wing, and this is just going to add a base for our false lashes. And I really love this liner because it's so precise and it really stays on, and it's super matte.
Oh hey boy, it's just you and me. Now I know what I want, gotta hold on. Oh babe, when you say pretty please, I hand over the keys to me.
And then I decided to take a black eyeshadow and just set the liner a little bit and kind of smudge it out just slightly to make it more softer. And then moving on to the face, we're going to use this Honey Dew Me Up primer by NYX, and we're going to put that all over the face to add more moisture and dewiness to the skin. And then to add more light to the skin, we are going to do the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, and it is my absolute favorite right now. I use it every time I wear makeup. And then going in foundation, we're going to go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Fiji. And then for concealer, we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 180, and we're just going to put that on places where I need it, so sides of the nose, under the eyes, forehead, and just any areas that you want to brighten up or add more coverage. And as always, I like to blend out my foundation and concealer with a sponge right after, and then set everything with powder. And I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I like to bake for about like 10 seconds under the eyes because that's where I crease the most. And then here we're taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and it's in the shade Rich Amber, and it is a lovely shade. I absolutely love this. And as always, all the products and brushes that I used will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And then for the fun part, we're going to take a blush brush, and then we're going to be dipping into a yellow eyeshadow. Here I'm using the shade B again, and we're just going to spread that all over the cheeks. And this step is so cute and so different, especially from what I do. So we're just going to put that on the cheeks as well as the nose. And then to match the theme with the eyes, we're going to go in with this peachy blush, and I got this from the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm just using the peachy shade. And I love the gradient that you can see here from the yellow to peach. And then using the brand new dewy set from Anastasia Beverly Hills, we are going to spritz that all over the face, and I think it's so fitting because it smells like coconut, so it just goes in with this whole tropical theme. And then going in with the So Hollywood loose highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to tap a little on the lid and spread it around, and it is honestly so intense. And I put a very, very tiny amount, so this is very, very potent, you guys, but it is so stunning. As you can see here, it goes so well with the yellow blush, and I did not plan this out, but I absolutely loved how it looked with the blush. So as you can see, I put it on the high points of my cheeks and the brow bone, as well as my cupid's bow and nose. And then because it was so intense, at least for me and in person, I decided to dab it out with a sponge to kind of make it more dispersed and even rather than have, you know, like a streak mark. And you can see it is so stunning blown out like that. And then going with the M Cosmetics Infinite Lip Cloud, this is the shade Faded Clementine, and we're going to put that all over the lips. And then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade American Doll, I'm just going to put that right on the center of my lips and then dab it out with my fingers. And that, guys, completes the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you to Jessica Boo for creating this look because it is honestly so cute, and I had so much fun recreating this look. So I'll definitely link her channel down below, as well as the video that I got this look from, and as well as all the products and all my social medias. And as always, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to check all my other videos down below in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. See you in my next one. Bye.
Oh hey boys, just you and me. Now I know what I want, gotta hold on. Oh babe, when you say pretty please, I hand over the keys to my kingdom.